Hello, welcome to another segment of intellectual brainstorming and academic excellence. My name is David Oni, and my YouTube channel is David Oni Quiz. Um, like I promised in my video at the beginning, that we're going to look into so many things. I felt I should start with English language. English language. Because in English language, a lot of our students are very deficient. But before I dive into this, I want to say a big thank you to our numerous subscribers, returning subscribers, and those that watch my video on daily basis. I say a very big thank you to every one of you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Also, click on the notification button so that when I upload videos on the internet, on YouTube, you can be one of the first people to watch my video. Also, leave your comment on how I can serve you better, and don't forget to like my video. See, today, like I said earlier, I am going to look at English language, and that English language I'm going to look at is at the lowest level of English language. And I believe if you want to teach somebody in life, you need to start from the lowest level, from the beginning, where that person can be able to pick up easily. Because a lot of students cannot write in English language. They cannot construct a sentence. Some of them cannot even speak good English. But this forum or platform is to help our students, most especially those that are deficient in this regard, to learn how to read and write. So if you belong to this category, or you know somebody in this category, this is an opportunity for you to learn something, to learn to read and write. So for those in adult education class, it will also be of immense benefit. And for beginners or those children in kindergarten class, it will also help them. So what I intend to do is I want to start from the beginning so that a lot of us can pick up. Apart from that, we're going to look at 2-letter words, 3-letter words, 4-letter words, how to form words. I believe at the end of the day, a lot of us are going to gain a lot from this lecture. So let's start. The English alphabet is divided into 26 alphabets. And when you're talking about this alphabet, it is very important as a student of English language to identify these letter words. So in this topic, I'm going to read out these letter words now so that you can follow me as I do. We have 26 alphabetical letters in English language, and they are A, B, C, D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Now, if you count it, there are 26 of them. Now, these 26 letters are actually what forms the words in English language. By the time you combine one to another, it will give you a word in English language. I'll read them again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now, you can use this alphabetical letter to represent objects or things. For example, A is for apple. A for apple. B is for ball. And C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. E, F. G is for goat. H is for house. I is for ink. J is for jug. K is for kettle. I, J, K. L is for lemon. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for princess. M, N, O, P, Q. Q is for queen. O, M, N, O, P, Q. R is for railway, or you can say rain. S is for slippers. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. S, T, U, V. V is for violin. S, T, U, V. W. W is for window. X is for silent. Y is for yacht, or you can say yogurt. And Z is for zebra. So don't forget, we have 26 alphabetical letters in English language, and I've read every one of them for you. And I've also used them to identify objects or things. Don't forget I said that I'm starting from the foundational level of English language. Then from there, we go to letter words, two letter words, three letter words, four letter words. We're going to go into what we call verbs, conjunctions, adverbs, pronouns, lexes and structures, comprehensions, summaries, synonyms, antonyms, homophones, and we're also going to look at how to develop grammatical words. In that, when you use these words, they can be able to help you in your communication with those around you. Like, for example, if you say, for example, that I live in a grandeur arbor. Somebody will be wondering, what do you mean by a grandeur arbor? It is talking about living in a very nice place or beautiful place, a grandeur arbor. If we say that somebody is a paragon of what? Is a paragon and epitome of what? Of symbology. It means that the person is beautiful. So we're also going to look at what we call idiomatic expressions. What do they mean in English language? And that is why, for you to be able to get all these things, I need to start at the foundational level. And that's what I have done now. So, till we meet next time, I remain your humble and loyal servant, David Oni. And my YouTube channel is David Oni Wiz. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Leave your comments. And also click on the notification button so that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first people to watch my video. And also, don't forget to like my channel. Till we meet next time, take care of yourself and do have a wonderful week ahead. Bye-bye.